Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here, and welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video, we are going to find out long build-up in stocks by using our Excel sheet. We are finding whatever the stock which finding a long build-up, and based on that, we are going to play for tomorrow's option trade along with the charting scanners. We already created a dashboard, so that will help us to take a trade in all the long build-up stocks. That I'm going to detail discussion in this video. And before that, if you are new, once again, you subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. And thank you for subscribing my channel. And thank you so much for joining with my sessions and channel too. So I have taken that long build-up option contracts. This is about 29th March contract. Sorry, 29th June contract. It's not about a May contract. So here I'm just taken a expiry is 29th June. It's about a 29th June expiry because today is the May contract is expired. We are going to take a trade on June month from tomorrow onwards, and you can get updated Google Sheet by tomorrow. That would be for next 1 day trading, and Monday onwards you will be getting that Google Sheet will be updated for a weekly. And first of the June we are going to start our monthly positional trading strategies based on our advanced options trading strategies method. Okay, so today you can look at this sheet. How many stocks we find out in the long build-up? We can look at Adani Enterprise is the mostly the call options, huge call option which is traded, and the second stock which is traded is ITC. Already we made a shorts video on this channel, and third one is a Dixon. So Britannia may not be liquid, and this one is not satisfying the candlesticks pattern, and Dixon is the another one, looks good. And again Adani Enterprise, look at this, how many points Adani Enterprise, even all the strike prices are a call, only except HDFC Bank, where it is a put option. So you can see all the strike prices or a call option. So in this particular thing, so I'm going to filter out the stocks list. So let me go to change the filters. You can easily understand how we are going to filter out the stocks. And let me go for stock specific. I'll go to take Adani Enterprise. Look at this, how many strike prices which is buildable long. So the strike price 25679 2800 call, and 950 400 450 650. So almost from this strike prices, the current closing price of Adani Enterprise is 2500 nearby. So most of the contract which is build up a long position. So we find out a long build up on this option. So huge quantities which is building and contract number of contract traded. This particular option 2500 and 26 is more than 14,000 quantities. So based on that only we are selecting the strike price, and ATM strike price which is 2,500 on Adani Enterprise. It's a call option. Even we don't see any put option which is building along. Maybe based on this candle pattern. So look at this Adani Enterprise stock, and in daily time frame it's keep on going higher last 3 days, and except yesterday it is moving down from the top, and now it started moving recovery, and there is a chances for moving upside because the trend is clear in small correction, and maybe the chances for moving upside. And also the open interest which showing you that key major contract which is happening on open interest build up. The second stock which I find out is ITC. The second list of stock is ITC. Look at this, how many strike prices. Mostly all are call 40, 50, 45, 60, 65, 80. So volume is bigger in 4440 call option, 9500, 9463 contract which is traded on that particular options. And this is what a huge quantity which is triggered, and that may be the strike price which we look at for a tomorrow. So maybe the chances for moving that strike price in higher should be possible. So let me continues that particular strike price, that should be better. And even Infosys we find here at this point in P, you can see Infosys also huge buildup, and the contract is slightly lower. Only one contract which is having a huge one, but we can add that also, no problem. But as per candles and other patterns, we find out ITC the second one, the Dixon also moving good from 2950. The Dixon which is moving from 2950. Infosys also a few days back 1300 we tracked. Okay, so from this list we are finding out the stocks which is having more contract which is traded. If your contract basis Adani Enterprise having a huge contract which is traded, and these are all the stocks, and I'm going to filter out the stocks, and I'm just simply tracking these are all the stocks which is building a long. So maybe tomorrow also it can continue the upside. There is a chances for continuing upside should be possible. So how we can filter out from this list of stocks, if any stock which continues the tomorrow positive side, maybe that stock can even price gainer and also be long build up one day before, and that stock should be the better stocks which we can focus for tomorrow. So let I'm going to simply going to take that one. I just copy this one, and here most many strike prices which is available. Okay, so same stock will be repeat on the same many times. So that's why I remove the duplicates. So we will be getting right now 67 stocks, almost 66 compared to the symbol. So what I'm going to do, the 67 stocks, I just going to add it in a notepad. I just save this on my page. Yeah, I've saved it. So we are going to track the strike prices. Okay, so I'm going to manually track the strike prices, and even put side also we can get some stocks. Okay, so we will try see how many stocks: HDFC Bank, Tata Motor, HDFC Bank again, Hindustan Unilever. So many stocks which is in the put side also, 1600 on HDFC Bank. So maybe tracking tomorrow that's also be possible. But I just go to add all the stocks in our list, and tomorrow if we get a gainer from this list, we can go for it. And we have a charting dashboard. From the dashboard, we will simply going to change first of all in our watch list we need to add a new watch list, right? So we need to add a watch list, and I have already 72 stock long build up. I just remove this watch list and create a new watch list. How to create a watch list that way long build stocks. Okay, so let me save and I add the stocks, and I can upload choose a file, and I have stored it and upload. Then all the 66 stocks will be added here. Okay, that's it. So now we can go to our scanners and screeners. Then we find out we have a dashboards, right? So from our dashboard, we should add that particular options for tomorrow's the dashboard. So here we are going to add this and edit that one. So we need to change that equity segment to long build. So let's submit it. So now we got it. This is the today's performance. And from that list of stocks, let me go to check again. That is what a long build up stock. Brand and save. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to focus for tomorrow, not today. This is one which I focused for tomorrow, not for today. So submit that. And in both side also we can add that long build up stocks. That's what a new watch list created. I run this and I save. Tata Communications, save this one. I think what is happening in this one? Okay. Yeah, Ashok Leyland is the top user today, like Tata Chemical, Deepak Nitrite, Z Entertainment. So, but this is what a today's scenario. From this list, if we go to check, Ashok Leyland would be there in the put side, maybe. So, yeah, you can see that Ashok Leyland would be there, 140 put option, having a 2100 contract which is traded. And if I want to go for Ashok Leyland alone, if I remove it, Ashok Leyland, so maybe so three put options having long build up 340, 345, and 130. Sorry, 140, 145, and 135 are the strike prices to build up a long. So average count, average quantity which is happening on that. So from here, so these are the stocks which I can go to watch tomorrow. Maybe that will giving you such a good opportunities from my list in Adani Enterprise 2.5% DLF. These are all the stocks. From this stocks, I can take tomorrow and I find out an opportunity from this list. And I hope you understood. And maybe there's some stocks which I have already added. That is also be the stock which we can focus for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. In this dashboards and recently created scanners, which is going to update that on our my pay Telegram group. So if you wish to join that, the link will be provided in the description. You can follow the link and you can join on the paid group. Thank you for watching and thank you very much. Thanks for your support on my channel. Thank you.